Back when Lamborghini brought out the latest generation Huracan, many were quick to assume that there is going to be a topless version of the car, and today, we can confirm that those predictions are coming true. It is a pretty standard path which Lamborghini is on, where the carmaker will often develop a roofless variant of their prime cars, and this makes the Huracan Performante Spider predictable happening. While Lamborghini has yet to mention anything about it, the lads hosting the 2018 Geneva Motor Show has revealed that the Huracan Performante Spider is going to make its debut at the event. The cited date for the unveiling is March 6 next week, and it will happen inside the 10 a.m. time bracket. We can expect to learn everything about the Huracan Performante Spider then.